Okay everyone, I will cook simple food for today and this is very easy and very healthy I think. Okay, the first step is to prepare the all ingredients for cooking. Okay, the second step is to wash all the vegetable ingredients. Maybe 3 minutes for the wash all. The third step is to cut the vegetables into small pieces because for easy to cook the all vegetables. First tip, wait for the water to boil, then add all the ingredients in the cooking. Just like this. And after 5 minutes, the food already to be served. Okay, this is my tutorial. Thank you for watching and enjoy my video.